All right, Thomas, want to go for a walk? Come with me. Let's go out and enjoy the beautiful day. Oh man, it's a beautiful afternoon here in Borger, Texas. Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of RV Tips and Trips. Hey, we left the recreation area yesterday, Meredith Lake Recreation Area, and we traveled north and east a little bit to a town called Borger, Texas. It was actually only about a 30-mile trip. The city of Borger, and this is called Uber Park, offers free camping for 3 days with water and electric hookup. It's 30 amp hookup, which is really great. It's a nice little park here, and I'll show you around here in a little bit. Come on, Thomas. So they have a dump station here, and that's the first thing we did when we pulled in. And this is really amazing. There is nobody else here but us. There was another camper in here when we pulled in yesterday afternoon. It was parked right over there. So there's 10 spaces with water and electric. And there's the dump station, and that is potable water there too. Here's the rules for the campground. So 72 hours in any given week, which means I guess you could come back if you decided to. And it's totally free, which is really nice. There is a baseball park with a stadium right over there. And you have basketball courts and all sorts of recreation around here. Looks like little walkways. So we're gonna go check this out here in a little bit. So this is definitely an oil town. There's it looks like an oil refinery not too far outside of town. And they even have a Walmart. So we loaded up with groceries yesterday because we were just about out of everything. $268 later. So it's one thing I love about Texas, boy, they offer a lot of free camping here. They want RVers, which is really fantastic. So we'll spend just a couple days here and then move on and continue our migration northward, and we'll go up into Colorado. From what I understand, just the other day, Colorado had another little bit of snow. So that's why I'm trying to delay this as long as possible. I got to hunt out a place for propane because the one tank is empty, and need to get that full. Our rig uses two 30-pound bottles, and like I said, the one is empty. So hopefully they got a Tractor Supply around here. I love using those. All right, I'll catch you in a little bit. We're going to take a walk around the park here. Catch you later. I hear like wild animals coming from that area over there. I don't know if you can bring your dog there, but this is all part of the park. It's awesome. Wow, that's cool. Peacocks and everything. Can't believe they got a bird sanctuary. He's showing his stuff off to a chicken. I don't think a rooster is going to be interested in there, buddy. Hi. Looks like the peacock is trying to court the rooster. Wow, beautiful, huh? This is pretty awesome. This is all part of that Uber Park. Large cabana for parties, and look at that, it's a big barbecue playground for the kids. They have volleyball. And Thomas loves running through the grass. So this is not a bad stop if you got kids. I think the kids would get a kick out of this place. And like I said, it's all free. A water sprinkler system for in the summer to cool the kids down and running through all the sprinklers. Pretty cool. Thomas says thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Until next time, happy camping.